This is a review of how to use a slope triangle to find the slope of a line. First, remember that the format of the equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus b. And this is a shortcut way to list all of the points that make up that line. The y is the y-coordinate of any point on that line. It's also known as the dependent variable. The x is the x-coordinate of any point on that line, and it's also known as the independent variable. The b is the y-intercept. It's also known as your beginning point, beginning number of your pattern, and it falls right here. It's where your line crosses or touches the y-axis. And then m, finally, is the slope. The slope tells you how many steps you have to go up or down, that's the rise, and to the right, that's the run, to get from any point on that line to another point on that line. So for example, it's how do you get from your y-intercept all the way over here to this other point on the line, and it can be any 2 points that you want. Okay, so there's 3 little steps you can take to find the slope using a slope triangle. First, you need to identify and label 2 easily measured points. And by easily measured, I mean you want them to fall right on that grid, right on the corner of the grid pattern of your graph paper. So the y-intercept's always a good one, and something like this. So I'm going to throw a couple little circles on there so you could see the 2 points I'm going to identify. And then you want to actually give me the x and y coordinates for each one. Okay, step 2, you're going to draw a right triangle connecting your 2 points and label the distance of your sides, the lengths of your sides. And you use the coordinates here to find those distances. So you're going to draw a line that goes horizontally, that's going to be your run, and you're going to draw a line that goes vertically, that's your rise. Now you're going to find the distance of each line. So the distance here is made up by taking the difference of this y-coordinate, so 9 minus this y-coordinate, 5, is 4. And then you do the same thing for the bottom part of your slope triangle. So 6 minus 0 is 6. Okay, last step. All you need to do now is put it in the rise over run fraction form. And so you literally just take your rise 4 and you put it on top of a 6. For this one, it looks like 4 over 6, and then you should reduce it down to its smallest form, so it would be 2/3. So the slope of this line is 2 over 3.